unfortunately, I ran out of my tinted moisturizer, which I love to wear during the day. I'm sure some of you guys agree with me. It's just like, I don't want to wear full coverage during the day. I ran out of my tinted moisturizer, and I was like, how can I make tinted moisturizer at home? So I made it, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it because it was awesome. And if you
super easy.
Are caught in a bind and you're like, hey, need some coverage on this face, then you can make this DIY.
But Ani got you guys.
And for the giveaway,
you're going to be needing a makeup applicator to apply this tinted moisturizer, aren't you? So we're going to be giving away the silicone makeup applicator.
Cool.
All right, let's get to it.
All right, let's make tinted moisturizer. So what you're going to do is you're going to take just your simple moisturizer, and literally simple. We're going to be using just like a sensitive skin plain moisturizer. I'm going to put a little bit in a bowl, and the beauty of this little how-to video is that you can customize the color. So we're going to take some cacao powder, and we are going to mix it in with our moisturizer to get the perfect shade for our skin tone. And you can start off light because it's easier to go darker, and you can work your way to your color. Literally just going to mix it in, and if you feel like you made it too dark, just add some more moisturizer.
Should I test it out?
Wait. Because it's powdery, you have to really make sure you mix it very well. Okay, now you can test it out. Here. Okay, so it's a little dark. No problem. We're just going to add... It's not?
No, I hadn't blended it.
Cool. Okay, let me test it on my skin. Nice. And it smells good, too.
It does. It smells cacao-y.
Cacao-y?
You just ate moisturizer.
Yeah. I don't know why.
Because it was cacao-y.
I just felt like doing that because it was cacao-y. Okay, let's try it on our face and see what it looks like.
Alright, let's do it.
So I just went ahead and put it on a foundation brush, and I'm going to apply it on my skin. And the nice thing is, it's very hydrating because there's moisturizer in there.
It's obviously not one of those that's going to completely cover. It's literally tinted moisturizer, so... It's doing a pretty good job. I'm going to show you. I'm only going to do half my face so you guys can see both sides. Yeah, look at that. Did a pretty good job lightening up my melasma. Okay, I was being a hater at first.
You were totally being a hater.
In my head. I didn't verbalize it. You could tell my hater
face.
face. Like, I'm just like...
I was like, Nora, we're gonna do this. It's gonna be cool. She's like...
Yeah, I totally had a hater face. But I'm actually the one who's pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, I know.
It's really light.
I can tell the difference. But it's perfect for daytime wear.
Yeah, like for me, it would be like great beach wear.
Yeah.
You know, like...
I'm not saying like replace your tinted moisturizer, but if you're in a bind and you're like, oh my god, I don't have any, like I would love to wear something really light, you can totally make this at home.
What is it?
Give it 2 thumbs up?
I give it 2 thumbs up, guys. So for the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and leave some comments below. And don't forget to like our video. Yay! Love you guys.
Bye.